Hi, we're Girl Scout Troop 3008.
And today we are going to teach you how to make cat toys!
For this project, you'll need yarn, small dowel rods, a hot glue gun, colorful ribbons, and jingle bells.
Gather your supplies. Step 1. Measure the yarn 8 times the length of the dowel rod.
Step 2. Attach the yarn to the end of the rod with a dab of hot glue. Then, wind the yarn around the rod. Secure at the other end with another dab of glue.
Step 3. Measure your ribbons the length of the rod and cut. Gather the ribbons together and tie the yarn around the center of the bundle.
Step 4. Add jingle bells to the end of a few of your ribbons.
Step 5. Play with your cat.